Intent to deliver doesn't mean you sold anything. It just means that they think you were about to sell something. Let's say you are charged with possession with intent to deliver and they see you in a transaction where you go up to someone, a confidential informant, you exchange narcotics for money, for currency. That's easy definition. You possess with the intent to distribute narcotics. Exhibit A, they have you in a drug transaction with a confidential informant selling a narcotic. That's the easiest way they can prove it. Sometimes they even charge it as possession with intent to distribute and also actual distribution if they find you've carried out the transaction. However, there are other situations where they can charge you with possession with intent to distribute. You may not have been seen in the transaction, but now they stopped you prior to that for whatever legal justification they have at the time, and they stop you prior to the transaction. Now, you intended to carry out the transaction, but for them stopping you, but they stopped you before the transaction. Can they still charge you with possession and intent to distribute? Yeah, based on all the factors around you. It's packaged a small amount. There is no paraphernalia, meaning you're not a person who uses it, you're just a person who sells it. You have small denominations of funds. You have maybe a scale to weigh out all of your narcotics. All of these factors lead up to a person being charged with possession with intent to distribute. The fact that they don't see you in the transaction is immaterial because they don't need that at that point. They're charging with the intent of doing it, not actually doing it, because it's not the actual end result, it's the actual intent to get to the end result. Regardless of whether or not you have the factors in favor of distribution or against distribution, you need a criminal defense attorney who can lay out those factors or really attack the factors that may be used against you in order to attack the government's case so they can't prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt for possession with intent to distribute.